autobiographical?
Oof. That's a very hard question. Quite a bit of the play is, I would say, is autobiographical. It takes place in Mississippi, and I'm a Mississippian. No matter where I go, no matter where I've roamed, and I have roamed quite a bit in my life, when I get in the car and I drive into Mississippi, when I drive across like the state line, something peculiar happens, and it is my people live there. You know, that's the only way I can really explain it. And none of my people really, none of my blood really lives there anymore. So it's very interesting how people are tied to the land in that way. This play is special to me because it's autobiographical, and also I feel strongly that this play, in the way that art does, I feel like it prepared me for a really tough moment in my life. So the loss of loved ones and family members. When I initially started this play, I had not even I'd considered things like that in terms of a narrative, but not in terms of my life. And then when the play kind of arrived in its first incarnation in Memphis with the folks from Voices of the South, when it landed and we workshopped it, I was really blown away by how increasingly relevant the content was in terms of grief and longing and letting go of the parts of our life that we have a tough time letting go of. So in that way, it's certainly autobiographical. I have a tendency to write plays with strong female voices. I was raised by strong women. Strong women were my protectors, my greatest influence, the guiding forces in my life. And this play certainly reflects that. In many ways, it's a memory play. And sometimes memories are as real, or perhaps even more real, than what is happening in the room with you at that moment. Guiding principles from your mother, your father, your mother's mother. Guiding principles from people that maybe you didn't even know, but your mother knew really, really well. And they took that on and carried that with them into their life, and then it was passed on to you.